During the commissioning of your system, your accredited EcoDan installer will have initially set the basic elements of your controls, such as date, time, and whether the temperature is displayed in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Your main controller may be on your tank or situated elsewhere in your home. If you need to change any of these basic settings, such as altering the timings or temperature, how to put your system into holiday mode, or how to use the wireless controller, further sections will explain. For more complex changes, it may be advisable to contact your installer.
Pressing the rectangular buttons F2 and F3 will allow you to change the room temperature the system is targeting in space heating mode. This should be set to the lowest temperature that you're comfortable with and then left. Increasing this temperature will not make your home heat up more quickly. If a Z1, Z2 icon appears in the bottom left-hand corner of your controller screen, then pressing the rectangular button F1 will allow you to change the target temperature of different zones in your home. For example, Zone 1 may be downstairs, set to 20 degrees Celsius, and Zone 2 may be upstairs, set to 17 degrees Celsius. If you don't have the Z1, Z2 icon, then pressing F1 will display system information. Press the circular arrow button to return to the home screen. Pressing the rectangular button F4 will display the Quick Settings menu. You will then see 4 boxes containing the icons for hot water, which is a tap, heating, which is a house, and holiday mode, which is a suitcase. The first box is the hot water override. Pressing F1 below the tap icon will force the system to heat the hot water cylinder immediately. Any hot water and heating schedules will be overridden until the cylinder has reached the set temperature. Please be careful with this function, as the hot water override operation cannot be stopped once started. In the bottom right corner of the tap icon in the second box is a circle which contains either a play symbol to start the hot water, a diagonal line to stop the hot water, or a clock face to set the hot water back to timer mode to come on again at the next scheduled time. Select play or stop to override any set times. This will take effect immediately. To revert to your preset times, select the clock symbol. These icons also appear in the third box, which is Space Heating Control, and have the same function as in hot water control. The recommended setting for heating and hot water is that they should be left on all the time. So there should be a play icon on both the tap and house. Don't worry, this doesn't mean that the EcoDan is running all the time. Having both modes on play allows the EcoDan to use less energy and only provide heating when it is needed. Pressing the F4 button under the fourth box enables you to change the holiday mode settings. Pressing this button has the same function as pressing the main on-off suitcase button on the home screen. There is a dedicated video explaining how to set the holiday mode. Press the circular arrow button to return to the home screen.